Robin and Chet here with Sea Lake Journeys.
Sea Lake Journeys.
Today we're in Amber Cove.
Woo-hoo-hoo.
We are going to give you a full tour of Amber Cove.
So we pulled into Amber Cove and there was an eclipse next to us. Look at that eclipse. Oh wait, that's just the Carnival Mardi Gras. But anyway, look at this big old long dock you gotta walk from the ship from. I'm telling you what, you're gonna get your steps in this here day. Thankfully you don't have to walk this whole pier. If you have walking problems, they have the pedicabs there. They work for tips only, and there's quite a few of them running, so availability is very good. They give me a stink eye here, a well-deserved one I might add, because I'm standing in their driving lane. So learn from my mistake, don't stand on the right side of this pier. That is for the pedicabs only.
At the end of the pier is the duty-free shop. This duty-free shop, like most, are air-conditioned and very spacious. Once you go through the duty-free shop, you will enter into the plaza at Amber Cove.
Through these doors, there's going to be marketplaces where you can buy your souvenirs. There's also going to be people holding up numbered signs, and that's where you'll go for your shore excursions that you have booked through the ship. Oh, that is not a UFO up in the sky over that tree line. No, that is a sky bar, which we have a video on coming out too.
As you can notice, it is very crowded at Amber Cove. Once we exited the duty-free, we took a right headed towards the pool area. This walking tour is going to be the outside perimeter first.
These are bungalows over the water you can rent. You can rent them right off the ship or online before you even get on the cruise. Here's the bungalows as seen from the ship. They got their own little chairs. They got little steps that you can get into and out of the water. And there's some buoys out there marking off the area where it's safe for you to swim.
So as we continue our walk through tour of Amber Cove, we came across this great little park.
It wasn't South Park either.
Had these great swinging beds.
Yeah, look at that thing. You can hold two people, but, well, I was holding the camera. Oh, come on, get up! I guess she's not going to get up.
There's this giant chair.
I asked her if it was a potty chair. She said no.
Chet,
What?
it's not a potty chair. It's a party chair.
Party chair. Oh, that's what you said. A party chair.
Look, Chet. Look at that cute little swing. Wait a minute. It's not a swing. It's a kissing booth.
Woohoo! A kissing booth.
We're at the kissing booth.
We are. Best place to have a kiss is at the kissing booth.
Now we have to go. You can't watch the rest of this.
All right. Off to the right in that little building is the bathrooms. Straight ahead here, you see the zip line building. And that next building to the left there is it says cruise store, but you can go in there too. here at Amber Cove, we have an accessible bathroom. That one's for the men, this is for the ladies. Shouldn't be any problem. There's really no grab bars, but there's plenty of room to get your wheelchair in at least. Now the pavement around here, as you can see, it's those little bricks, pavers, and that's what it is throughout. So the wheelchair will go over this, power screw will go over it, no problem. It might be a little bumpy in a wheelchair, but there's plenty of them around this whole area. You can get anywhere you want to go, it looks like so far. How about that?
So now we're headed back towards the main pool area again. As you can see, there are plenty of chairs to sit. There is a basketball court. And a child's water park. The child's water park is great. It is simply a flat surface with water sprinkles and little fountains, and notice at the top of that slide there's a bucket.
Past the child's water park is a big old twisty slide, and it has a lifeguard at the end of it. Just past the child's water park is this bathroom facility, which is greatly located for families.
On the far side of the pool is where the pool cabanas are located and the area for reserving special seating poolside. These chairs have cushions on them and individual umbrellas. The cabanas are right beside of the pool. They have an upstairs with loungers and pool noodles and a
hammock right there hanging up underneath there.
And at the end of the cabanas, you will find a public hand washing station.
And this is your chair that you need to get into the pool with if you have mobility problems.
And if you continue on around the pool, this is the swim up bar. Here you can order cocktails, you can order food, and they have these cute little stools that you sit on and belly up to the bar.
How about that?
And this is the restaurant that is located right at the beginning of the pool, where if you're in the pool bar, this is where your food that you're going to order is going to come from. And they also have public seating.
There's a photo opportunity for you you just passed. Don't forget to tip the people when you get your picture took with them. We've come full circle. When we came in the entrance, we went to the right. Now we're back at the entrance, and we're going to go off in the left direction. This is the area where you'll find all that good shopping you've been waiting for. We also have some live outdoor entertainment, music and dancing. There's a big old bullhead mask there. I don't know what it's there for, but it's kind of cool to look at.
People take their pictures in front of it.
They also get their pictures took down here with the dancers, as you can see. There's Robin from Sea Lake Journeys getting her picture taken with the dancers.
So we had a great day at Amber Cove, and it was such a long walk back to the ship. You know it. We jumped on that pedicab.
You better believe it.
These guys work so hard. And as you can see, once again, they are on the left-hand side of the pier, and he's waving. You'll see he keeps moving his arm, asking people to move over on the side. So remember, that's their traffic lane. And he will take us right back up, literally, to the door of the ship.
That's right, and remember, they work for tips only, so be sure to give them guys a good old tip.
Hi, y'all.
So we had a really good day today. What did we do? We
meandered around Amber Cove.
Yes, we did.
Took lots of videos and pictures.
It was so hot. Oh my God, it was crazy
It
hot.
felt like home. Well, we'll see you guys tomorrow. We're going to Grand Turk.
Grand Turk tomorrow.
We're going to walk around and show you that port. How about that?
And my voice is scratchy because I swear we have laughed so much on this cruise. It is ridiculous.
Laughed and whooped and hollered.
Well, it's 10 o'clock. These old people are going to bed.
Nighty night.
See you around the channel.